ORÍKÌ, the spirit of who we are.
ORÍKì is not just praise, it is identity spoken out loud. To know your ORÍKì is to know who you are, where you're from, and what lives inside of you. In Yoruba culture, we don't just say names, we awaken legacies. Àṣàkẹ́, Àṣàbí, Àkànkẹ́ o. When I chant for you, I'm not just speaking. I am calling on your ancestors, your roots, your power. Ọmọ ládé 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 o. Aláàfin ọ̀ládé. Adé aládé kúnládé ìfàlàfin òjò pàṣẹkẹrẹ mọ́dẹ wọn má tìbà. We chant for kings. We chant for warriors. We chant for newborns and market women. Because everyone carries a name that carries weight. ORÍKì is tradition. It is spiritual. It is memory wrapped in melody.
Yoruba o. Yoruba.
Because in Yoruba land, to be praised is to be recognized. To be recognized is to be remembered. And to be remembered is to live forever. So when I sing, ọmọ arúgbó ẹ̀sà ọ̀gbìn àrà ògbódò, ọmọ arégún sì mọ́délé ọkàn, tó onídáná oníkálukú ló kójọ ìyá rẹ̀ lójú ọmọ arúgbó ọlá. I'm not flattering you. I'm honoring the story you carry. ORÍKì is not just performance. It is presence. It is prayer. It is power. And I, Àkànkẹ́ chanter, I am only the voice of culture, the keeper of praise. It is true theology the Yoruba offense. Mo mọ ọmọ ẹni tí mo jẹ́. Ìwọ ńkọ́? Ǹjẹ́ o mọ ọmọ ẹni tí o jẹ́ ṣá?
Who are you?